अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लीगल डिक्टेशन डिक्टेट करने जा रहे हैं। तो डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर तो आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, लाइक कर दें और बेल आइकन के बटन को लाजमी प्रेस करें। तो चलते हैं जी, करते हैं डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। एंड कामा hence comma has committed error of exercise of jurisdiction full stop according to the landed council, marriage having been refused to be dissolved by the landed judge family court, who enjoyed the position of qazi and who had opportunity to watch the conduct of the parties who have been appearing before him full stop. The London district judge had no jurisdiction to interfere with the same on the basis of conjectures and surmises full stop. Landed council argued that all the issues which were framed on the basis of various allegations, including the allegation of cruelty and bad character, have been decided in favor of the petitioner, and therefore, there being no basis for granting favorable decree, on the principle of khula, the suit could not have been decreed full stop. Landed council has further argued that the finding of the London district judge to the effect that the respondent has not drawn any benefit from the petitioner is based upon misreading of evidence, whereby it has been proved that a house was given by the petitioner to the respondent in lieu of dower at the time of marriage, therefore, to hold that no benefit was received by the respondent is not a lawful finding rendered by the London district judge full stop. According to the London council, there is absolutely no evidence on the record to show that the respondent has acquired an affixed aversion towards the petitioner, therefore, the decree for dissolution of marriage could not have been granted to the respondent on the principle of khula as laid down in various judgments rendered by this court as well as the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan, full stop, new para. I have considered the arguments addressed by the Landed Council for the petitioner and have gone through both the judgments and have also perused the record, including the evidence led by the parties, full stop. On my query, Landed Council has admitted that the parties are not previously related to each other, that they are living apart for the last about 2 years, that efforts to effect compromise during the pendency of the suit before the London judge family court as well as the appellate court have not succeeded, that the parties are of the young age and that the respondent is contesting the litigation with full force, full stop. It is an established principle of law as laid down in cases of Musammat Balkis Fatima versus Najmul Ikram Qureshi, PLD 1959, writ petition Lahore 566, and Musammat Khurshid Bibi versus Babu Muhammad Amin, PLD 1967, Supreme Court 97, that a right, full stop.